Let's watch how Alice creates a secret base under her bed. This bedroom is less than 6 square meters, barely fitting a bed. No room for a wardrobe or desk, so Alice can only sleep in there. Frustrated, she stomped her feet in anger and accidentally broke the bed into pieces. That's when she decided to clear it out and remodel it herself. First, Alice uses galvanized square steel to build a bed frame against the wall, covering it with eco-friendly wood veneer. She adds a big, soft mattress and lines the inner wall with padding for extra comfort. She digs a hole above the bed to create a bedside table, wrapping it with wood veneer for a cozy reading nook. Alice installs a guardrail and ladder outside so she can climb and strengthen her body every day. Under the bed, she makes a wardrobe to conveniently store clothes and bedding. Opposite the bed, she extends a seat booth, adding cushions and backrests, along with a small coffee table. With a projection screen installed, it becomes a mini home theater. Alice uses a bookcase to create a sidewall, filling it with all her books and materials. She adds a small blackboard in the middle to spark creativity and imagination. The bookcase can open up into a secret base where she can play hide and seek with friends. Finally, she connects a desk to the window for online learning, making it perfect for studying. Now let's check out the overall effect of Alice's small but mighty bedroom.